Hello, so here I am adding the JS file in the resource folder. Actually, this is a simple Laravel project, and I have added the JS file in the resource folder, but it didn't work. Here I have the CSS folder, JavaScript folder. So I have created a new file like, for example, form.js. This is only work for if we have a view or a React component that we can use with Laravel, but this is a simple Laravel project. So if I'm using this for example from.js in the index file or create file, so how you can include it here as a script. You can't edit directly like we did resource, just like a simply HTML CSS we are adding files. You cannot add this way, this will not work. This will only work when you have a view component or using React.js or any library like that, but this is a simple Laravel project, so this will not work. Okay, and the form.js, any code I will write there, it will not work. So what you have to do, there is a public folder. In public folder, just create a JS folder here. I have created this one and put your form here. So I write this code. Before I checking there, it will not work that. So in the JS folder, now it's working. I place in a public folder. So how you can access this? I put that in the layout, because the same script, this JS script I'm using for both create and edit file. So I just edit it in the layout. So how you can write this? Write script, okay, source, and just write asset, okay, js form.js. okay, so this is how you can include it the JS file. So now it will work. In case if you are using a view or React, you can add it there directly in the resource file. Okay, so here I have the resource file, the JS folder. So what you to do, you can just add it there also, like in the app.js import, okay, form.js. okay, you have to import it in the app.js only if you are working with Vue or React or anything. If you are simply using Laravel project, there is no need to add this. Okay, you just follow this rule, just add the in the public folder, make a folder for your JS components and place your file JS file there. Okay, here is my public folder. I have created this JS folder, and in the JS folder I just put my files there. So you can use it for the any page like login, create, edit, or anything where you want to add a script. And how you can include the script code in your form: if you have a layout file, just add it in the layout like that, asset js from JS, or just you can, for example, I just using it for the create file. So how you can edit here, this way you can add this. This is not the right way to add the JS file. Okay.